Look at the hot rod. 396 cubic inches. Whoa, look. Piling it in here. Oh, it's an automatic, that's why. Hey Tom, I caught your son rolling in with a 396 Chevelle here at his work, J&S Gear. And I was wondering why it's pretty cool. He drives a real hot rod, but then we discovered that it was an automatic 2-pedal hot rod over here at J&S Gear. It's closing time. Oh, the fellows are getting ready to leave. I just banged my head on this gears. Look at that, Corvette underneath, Chevelle underneath, awesome 56 Chevy. You need to get some gears in your rear down here at J&S Gear, Huntington Beach, California. They're not closing the doors forever, they're closing the doors for tonight. So check it out. Dan Alive, Dan Vision. Come down and see John and the fellows. They'll even put a forklift underneath your rear. They'll lift it up with a forklift. A Yale forklift. Look at that. A whole bin of gears. How about that? Hey, use the clutch, fella.
Yeah. It's got a 1937 Dodge motor.
1937 Dodge motor and a Yale forklift. Well, the things you learn on Dental Vision, Dental Live channel. Oh, I can smell the propane running down my veins. And look at that, that's going to be one badass car when that's restored. We won't tell you quite what it is. And we got Travis out there. Had to jump start a pony car, a Mustang. It's time to go to a second job. That young fellow is working 2 jobs to support that car that his mom and dad helped him get. Dental Live, Dental Vision.